Hello students, now we will discuss question number 1228. In this question it is given to us that a real object is in front of a convex mirror. It moves towards the mirror. So let me draw a diagram. There is a convex mirror. In front of it there is a real object. Real object should be in front of it and it is moving toward mirror with a speed VO. The image also move with speed Vi. Then in option we are given some expressions. We need to find the correct answer. So object is moving toward the convex mirror. In case of convex mirror, real object will have their images in between focus and optical center. Somewhere here we will be having image. And as the object approaches the mirror, the image will approach toward the pole, toward the optical center or pole. When object moves toward the pole, image will also move toward the pole. When object is just at the pole, image is standing toward also pole. So velocity of image is given as Vi, because the distance of object is always greater than the distance of image in magnitude. So velocity of image will always be smaller than velocity of object, because the relation in velocity of image, it is minus times velocity of object into V by U whole square, because V is always smaller than U for convex mirror, for real object. So image velocity will always be lesser. Okay, and speed, they are asking about speed, so we will neglect the directions. In direction, velocity of image will be in opposite direction, so we will neglect the direction. We can take here plus sign because we are talking about speed. So speed is always less than velocity of image is always less than velocity of object in case of virtual image of real object by convex lens. So option A and option C should always be correct. Option B and D are wrong. Thank you.